guys.
Hello.
We're going to my nail tech's pop-up today. She has, I think, 3 different local Philly bakeries as vendors, which is really cool. It's supposed to start at 12 and it's 11:52. We gotta go. But yay, so exciting. I'm so happy for her. See you guys there.
We can trip.
It's better now.
John kêu con cắt á.
Well, I see you at the show tonight. Well, I see you at the show tonight. Yeah.
Hey friends, we are at Peace Valley Park and it's so beautiful. Aaron is outside, he's like testing recipes on his new camera, and I am kind of deciding whether or not I want to put my hair in a braid. It's kind of frizzy because I specifically didn't put product because I was thinking of putting it in a braid, but I don't know. Maybe I'll take a couple of shots without the braid and then put a braid in and see if I like it or not, but it's just hard because with wavy hair and curly hair, like if you start brushing through it to like braid it, it's gonna get frizzier. I don't know if you can see him. All right, let's head out. I'm wearing this like off the shoulder brown knit sweater, And then with my school girl skirt that's like gray plaid, my Steve Madden boots. I'll get a full shot later, but okay, let's go. There's a duck with them. 2 ducks. Good morning, friends. I am home today. It is Monday, November 10th at 12 p.m. If you're wondering why I'm home on a Monday when I usually have practicum, it's because they have an all-staff day today, so they just gave the students a day off, which is so nice. The state of my room, it's not as bad as it was yesterday. I took some time to, clean the floor a little bit, but obviously my desk is still a mess. My bed is not made. And my makeup desk over there that you can't really see is also really messy. I have socks on the ground. It's been a time. I'm also sick, which is honestly kind of great timing that it aligned with my day off. Hopefully I can get a little bit better by tomorrow when I have to go back in. But yeah, as of right now, like my throat is really hurting. And I feel really congested. But anyways, yeah, so I'm not going to be cleaning, or at least it's not my priority today. I realized that, like, when I start thinking of all the responsibilities I have to do at once, it starts to get really overwhelming. So my number one priority for today is to get some of my homework done, hence why my laptop is on my bed, as well as my planner. 3 papers due by the end of this week, and then 3 papers due by the end of the next week. And then I have 2 final papers due the following week, as in like after Thanksgiving break. So we're nearing the end of the semester, which is so crazy to me. And I feel like I didn't really fill you guys in on my fall semester journey just because it's been literally so hectic. Maybe I'll do like a MSW program review at the end of the year. But yeah, as of today, I want to get my papers at least chipped out a little bit. Also, I feel like you guys have seen my hair like this so often. I know this is a hack to like put volume at the roots, which I really want. And I always have a curler because like I have curtain bangs, but I don't know why I'm telling you guys that. Okay, I'm like, my brain is starting to be tempted to like show you guys these new things that I've got, but maybe I will show you later after I do my papers. Okay. I fell asleep. And it's dark outside. My concept of time is warped at the moment. I slept with the clip in my head, and so now like my hair has like these weird dents in it. Right now, I guess I'm gonna write my papers, eat some dinner. I think it's like 5. And yeah.
Have you tried their matcha?
This is like strawberry milk. Apparently this is matcha. That's good. Strawberry. How was their tea? Was it just like a bag tea?
A bag tea
Oh.
for $5.
Dang. Yeah, their espresso machine was down, but that's okay. I got my matcha for middle child, so I'm good off of that. It's a beautiful day today, actually. I thought it was gonna be super freezing cold. I'm in a skirt right now, but it's actually like a crisp fall day. So I'm content. Got some work done. I feel alive again. The seasonal depression was hitting me so bad, but it's nice to be out in the sun and amongst people. So happy to be back. But yeah, we're gonna go to my car now, and then we're gonna head into Center City to go to Majuri and look at some jewelry and buy some time before dinner tonight because we're getting omakase. What the? Wait, it's that one. I hear that all the time. Might I catch it on camera?
What was it?
That's like an Eagles truck or something. It's coming, hold on. That is so funny. I am back home. I don't know if you guys have noticed in the past couple of clips, but my curtain bar gave up on me and my curtain is like stuck on the bar, so it doesn't close all the way, so I had to use like a cinema roll clip that I got from like Daiso years ago to hold it together. Dinner was so great. The chef was amazing. I think he was one of the best chefs that we've had for omakase so far. Super sociable. We like bonded a lot over like Philly culture and I don't know, like social work and things like that. So if you guys are in the area, Ogawa is like pretty good omakase, I would say. It doesn't beat Ito Boy from my very first video on this channel actually, but for Philly, I think it was really good. But yeah, I just wanted to sit down and give you guys a little bit of a haul of what I got today. Also, pardon if I sound like nasally, I'm still sick. We went to Majuri in Center City. I didn't end up getting anything because the one bracelet that I really liked, they don't sell it anymore and it's discontinued, so I don't want to settle on something that I don't really love because I've been thinking about that bracelet for months, I kid you not. So hopefully eventually they'll bring it back. But we just went to Brandy, which was next door, and I've been looking for like a red scarf for a little bit because I really like this color for the fall and for the winter, like the holiday season. So and it's like this cable knit material. I don't know if this counts as cable knit, but yeah, it's like really cute and like not super thick, not super long. I am really excited to style this. Probably even just gonna wear it tomorrow because it's supposed to be like 47 degrees at school and I'm at school the entire day. So yeah, wearing this tomorrow. I also got a brown belt because I've been thinking of getting one for a really long time too. It feels pretty good quality and I really like the color. I got this like bangle in silver because I don't really have many silver pieces for my arms at least. And then I got gold hoops because I'm starting to enter my gold era again. I don't know why, but like fall to me it just feels so warm, which is like kind of weird because it's literally freezing outside. But I don't know, I just find that these colors go so well together. And I am blessed to be neutral skin toned, so best of both worlds. I did eat one on camera in Center City, but we got a little sweet treat store a little while ago, and I've been obsessed with it ever since. And I know there's like so much hype around it, but like this one specifically, the bubblegum flavored gummy, I am not a bubblegum girl. I am traumatized from childhood, all the medicines and like little flavored toothpaste that you get at the dentist that's like bubblegum and is supposed to taste better than mint. Disgusting. But like this tastes far from that. Like it's still bubblegum, but like hubba bubba bubblegum. But yeah, it was really nice being able to vlog again. It just came back so naturally, which is nice. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it's like super sporadic, like little blurts of my life the past couple of months, but there are exciting ones coming up. I'm going on more trips. Trips are like my favorite thing to film and edit, and it seems like you guys really like that too, so hopefully that's some more interesting content for you to watch. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so grateful that you're still here, despite me being MIA for 3 months. But yeah, I couldn't be more grateful, and yeah, stay tuned. See you guys next time. Bye!